Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how to make an extreme hair growth oil with just 3 ingredients. This oil helps in growing back your edges, it makes your hair thicker and fuller, it treats alopecia, it also treats hair thinning and hair shedding. So you might just want to grab a seat and let's get started. So for this oil, I'll be making use of just 1 leaf of my aloe vera plant because I'm not making so much of the oil. I'm going to go ahead and wash it and then cut off the spikes before, making use of the aloe vera for my oil. So after cutting off the spikes of the aloe vera, I'm just going to go ahead to cut off the roots of that particular aloe vera plant because of the yellowish substance it contains that is not so good for the hair. So the next thing I want to do is to, chop my aloe vera into smaller pieces and even into much more smaller pieces so that the nutrients from the aloe vera is going to penetrate the oil during the frying process, or will I say cooking. So the major reason why I'm using aloe vera is because aloe vera helps condition and improve damaged and dry hair. It strengthens and repairs hair strands because aloe vera contains vitamins A, C, and E. It also helps to reduce itchy scalp. Aloe vera can also be used for deep conditioning, it can be used for pre-poo, and it also can be applied directly to your scalp. The next ingredient I'm going to be making use of is my extra dark castor oil. Castor oil increases blood flow to the scalp, which promotes healthier and longer hair. It also has antibacterial and antifungal property that helps reduce dandruff. It nourishes and strengthens the hair strands, and just like aloe vera, it can also be used for deep conditioning and pre-poo. The last ingredient you are going to be needing for this oil is shea butter. Shea butter is good for flaky and irritated scalp. It helps add moisture and shine to the hair, and it also protects the hair from heat and UV rays. Just like the rest of the ingredients, it can also be used for deep conditioning and pre-poo. The next thing I want to do after transferring all 3 ingredients into one pot is to put the pot on my lowest burner and leave it for just 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, I bring down the pot from the burner and leave it for about 30 minutes to cool off so that when I transfer it into my applicator bottle, it doesn't melt my bottle. After 30 minutes and the oil must have cooled off, before transferring the mixture into my bowl, I make sure that my sieve and my bowl are both dried so that they don't introduce water into my oil. After transferring the aloe vera mixture into your sieve, be careful not to press down the aloe vera so that the water from the aloe vera will not be introduced into your oil, because you don't want water in your oil, you just want pure oil. So instead of pressing down the aloe vera, you can just drop the sieve on your bowl. After sieving my oil, the next thing I want to do is to transfer it into an applicator bottle, because applicator bottle makes it easy for me to apply it on my hair. This oil is still as thick as castor oil. It didn't get watery. Water wasn't introduced into my oil. It's still as thick as castor oil. This oil is going to help in bringing back your edges. It will also make your hair fuller and thicker, and it's going to reduce the amount of shedding and thinning you have. So guys, you need to try this oil. So I'm going to be applying this oil into my hair, and like I said earlier, I won't be washing it out. I could use this oil for my pre-poo treatment. I could use it for my deep conditioning. I could use it for, sealing in moisture without having to wash it out, because just like normal castor oil, it doesn't have any ingredients that will harm my hair if it is left on my hair for more than some minutes. So yes, I've been on this twist for a month now, and I mean, I still can use the oil on my hair and it's not going to have any side effects or anything. The next thing I want to do is to massage my scalp, because massaging helps blood to circulate my scalp, and this helps, for my hair to have a good environment to grow. So guys, this is how I use this oil, and I use it 3 times in a week, and I'll advise you to do same if you want to see visible results within a few days. Guys, please try and make your own oil. I would love to, know how it went. I would love to know the results. I would love to know the reviews from using this oil. So thank you so much, because we've come to the end of this video. If this is your first time stopping by my channel, thank you. Please do kindly subscribe to my channel, share this video, and I'll see you on my next one, guys. Bye.